Hello, friends. Welcome to our home heaven. Explore the art of transforming spaces with our home decoration channel. From dye projects to expert tips, join us on a journey to create stylish and cozy living environments. Unlock the secrets of interior design, discover budget-friendly decor hacks, and turn your house into a personalized sanctuary. Dive into the world of aesthetic bliss with our home decoration channel. Immerse yourself in a symphony of colors, textures, and design ideas that will breathe life into your living spaces. Whether you are a minimalist seeking simplicity or maximalist craving vibrancy, we have got the inspiration and guidance to tailor your home to perfection. Explore room makeovers, expert interviews, and stay up to date with the latest trends in home decor. Join our community of home enthusiasts and let's embark on a journey to turn your living space into a masterpiece. Transforming houses into homes, one idea at a time. Welcome to our home decoration hub, where creativity meets comfort. Unleash your inner decorator as we guide you through the imagination, dye projects, share insider tips on creating functional yet stylish spaces, and bring you along on inspiring home tours. Subscribe for a daily dose of inspiration and let's embark on a delightful journey to make your home a heaven of warmth, beauty, and personal expression. Elevate your living experience with us.